Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to send pictures as snap on Snapchat. For that, firstly open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Now take a photo by tapping on the big white circle. For now I am going to take a photo by adding a filter. After you're done, tap on Send To, which is at the bottom right of your screen. Now select the friends that you want to send your snaps to, and when you're done, tap on the arrow icon which is at the bottom right of your screen. This way you can send pictures as snap on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.